See, installation of React.js. There is simple. See, if we want to run JavaScript coding directly we can run. But what is the meaning of React.js? What is React.js actually? In interview they'll ask what is React.js. What will you tell? Sorry. What is React.js? React.js is nothing but a library of JavaScript. What is library? Will be having all inbuilt functions. See here configuration all we have to give it manually. But in React.js everything is given in the form of inbuilt. See in JavaScript if I do any coding that we are coding it manually. How? By calling DOM every time. But if you go to React, are we calling manually or it is with the help of dependencies in the form of automated, all automated things. That all automated things is in the form of what? Functions. That functions we have to install it now. Imagine I'm going for 10th standard. As soon as I go for 10th standard, what is all required? Books is required, no? Why? To read. Without books, can I read the 10th standard? No. See, React.js is not directly. You have to take the functions, and that function is in the form of dependencies. That dependencies we have to download. To download this dependency, we have to directly download the first thing, and that first thing is what? Node downloads. First, what we have to do? We have to download the Node.js. I'll tell Node.js download. So you can download it here. If you click on this, you will get the source code. See the URL, please. This is a URL. See here, if you come down, if you tell Windows downloader, it gets download. After this, what you have to do? You have to click on the downloaded option. Click on this. Click on this and install it. See, this is already downloaded. You can just click on this. It tells next, install. It gets installed. After this, we have to extract the particular dependency and add it. See, listen. We have so many things. We have Vue.js, Vanilla.js. We have Next.js, everything. That is all the different package. Now, which package we need? React.js. From Node.js, we have to extract the React.js and we have to keep it. Let me show the installation of React.js. See, create one folder in a desktop and name it as anything. Create one folder in a desktop and name it as anything, but I'll make it as React.js projects. Okay, inside this inside this folder anything is there? Nothing. We have to add the dependencies manually. How to add? We have to execute this command. Why? Because we have to extract from the Node.js. I've told no, for running JavaScript we don't need anything. Directly we take Notepad, we can code it, run it in the browser. Browser will edit everything. But React.js means what? Is it manually doing or automatically doing? Automatically. We have to need all these dependencies now, and that dependencies we have to download. How? By going, see, come to the folder, open this command prompt. After this, we have to execute something called npm space create create space width at latest space, and we have to tell the project name. The project name can be anything. This is a command for creating the extracting the dependencies from Node.js to our project. What is our project name? Project name can be anything. I'll make it as my project. See, while giving the project name you should not have any space. Okay, now if I tell enter, see all the installation. See, while you install it, internet is mandatory. Which variant of React is required? This is required, React. Now I'll tell React. Now select the variant or this. Now which is a variant? JavaScript. If I tell yes, install everything, it will be automatically done. And this is the installation. After the installation, I shall how to open also. Okay, done. This is our local loss. You can just check it. Take the URL. See, I have told you, by using full stack development, we can create which application. By using full stack development, we can create web application, which is accessed through the browser window. Okay. Now, if you click on this, you can know. Let me show you how to open the project. See, come to the folder. Come to the folder. If you open the folder, you can see this. Inside the folder, can you see all the folders is added? Am I adding it manually or it is automatically added? And that automated add is known as dependencies. Dependencies means functions. Okay, now how to open this to the Visual Studio Code? Directly come inside this, tell command prompt. We have to tell what? Code space dot. We have to tell code space dot for opening, redirecting to the Visual Studio Code. Can you see what a code here? Okay. Now let me show. Can you see node modules, public app, everything is came by whom? Am I manually adding it or automated? Automated by executing that command. Okay. Now I want to run the program. If you want to run the program, you have to tell left click. There's something called terminal and new terminal. Inside this, what we have to tell? We have to tell, see, if you want to execute, we have to tell a code, like command, that command is npm run diff. If you run this, it gets open. So after this, you can open in two ways actually. You can open in two ways. One is by clicking the link. If it will follow the link, it will work. If not, if you don't want, you can just enter a small letter O and tell enter. It goes to the redirect to the output screen, browser window. You get an output. If you see this output, you have successfully installed the React.js.